In today's video, I'm going to teach you the 5-minute guide to setting up HubSpot for the first time. If you've just started using HubSpot, this guide will help you quickly familiarize yourself with the essential areas of the platform. Let's dive right in. Firstly, head over to the user guide section within your HubSpot account. This is your gateway to accessing all the valuable features and tools HubSpot offers. Once you're in the user guide, the first thing you want to do is click on CRM. This section is the heart of your customer relationship management on HubSpot, allowing you to manage your contacts, track customer interactions, and more. It's essential to understand your CRM to effectively utilize HubSpot's capabilities. Next, proceed to the marketing section. Here you can manage all your marketing activities. From creating campaigns to tracking their performance, this is where you harness the power of marketing automation to reach your audience effectively. Once you're comfortable with marketing, you should check out the content section. This is your hub for creating and managing all kinds of content, whether it's blog posts, landing pages, or other digital content. This feature is crucial because good content is key to engaging your target audience. Following that, you'll want to click on the sales section. This is where you manage deals, track sales activities, and gain insights into your sales pipeline. Understanding this area is crucial for boosting your sales strategy and closing more deals. After exploring sales, head over to commerce. If you're selling products directly through HubSpot, this is where you'll manage your orders, track transactions, and handle your e-commerce operations. This section helps streamline your sales process, making transactions smoother for both you and your customers. Next, move on to the service section. Here you can manage customer support requests and maintain service excellence. Keeping your customers happy is crucial, and this is where you ensure that. Then, there's data management. This section ensures your data is organized and accessible. Managing your data efficiently is key to making informed decisions and analyzing your business's progress. When you're ready, check out automation. Automation allows you to create workflows that save you time and help you scale your operations seamlessly. Whether it's sending emails, updating records, or following up with leads, automation can handle it. Finally, explore the reporting section. This is where you gain insights into how your business is performing. Understanding your analytics is crucial to driving growth and making informed decisions, and there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up HubSpot for the first time. Mastering these sections will provide you with a solid foundation to make the most out of what HubSpot offers. Remember to explore each area, as familiarity with the platform is key to unlocking its full potential. Thanks for watching, and happy HubSpotting!